Morning, Rachel and Bill here. We are watching space launch this morning from Port Canaveral. And this is an Atlas rocket going up. We've not seen an Atlas rocket yet, so just wanted to share with you guys.
There it goes.
There we are.
There it is.
Oh yeah, that's
That's a big one, yeah. You can tell the difference. Sure.
Oh my gosh, look at that thing go.
Yeah.
I can't see it in my lens.
That's the thing, once it gets up kind of high.
Well, I can't because of the sun.
Yeah.
Oh, there it
It's
is.
there, though.
Look at the
I can
tail.
see
Look at
it
the
here.
tail.
Yeah.
Should be hearing it now.
Pretty soon. Wow. There it is.
There it comes.
Here it is.
Go, baby, go. Oh, yeah. See if I can get the whole thing. Look at that. That's pretty
Yeah,
spectacular.
that's very
Look at that.
cool, yeah.
I'm going to pan out a little bit here. See, there we go. That's a pretty cool shot. That's about all there is, folks. See you in another video.